Today for the Bitcoin and altcoin prices. Guys, today is the day for Bitcoin and for the altcoins. What am I talking about? Well, of course, I will be going into the Bitcoin chart and I want to tell you exactly what is unfolding here right now in the Bitcoin chart, not only in regards to the immediate short term, but also to this Wyckoff accumulation pattern, the Wyckoff accumulation schematic, which is potentially here still panning out for Bitcoin. I will be talking about that. Of course, I want to be talking about the altcoins as well, what I'm doing with my $2 million L1 spot position, and of course also about the other altcoins. I will be zooming out on the altcoin market and tell you exactly what has to happen for us to stay bullish here and to find new all-time highs here for the Bitcoin and for the altcoin. Smash up the like button to a new all-time high. My yesterday's nighttime video was getting so many views, so many likes, so many comments. I already thought YouTube is cracking down on our channel, and then you came back and you showed it to us. Thank you so much for all your support. This is really awesome, and you are the reason why I'm doing this every single day. You are the reason why I'm standing up. You are the reason why I'm taking the phone every single day into my hand and making these videos for you, and I want to thank you for that. Now let's go straight into the chart here. Let's go to Bitcoin, and what you can see here on the 4-hourly candles is, by the way, we are still in phase B, if this is even playing out here. Yesterday we had this rising wedge. Bitcoin broke down and hit the bearish price target. Right now it seems like we are recovering exactly here at the previous highs for Bitcoin. And if this is important, if Bitcoin is turning around here, this could potentially be a beautiful W pattern with a low here and a higher low right there. And if we are breaking the neckline at approximately 46,200, let me quickly show you the price target, guys. If I'm zooming out a little bit and taking out the measurement price target, and stick with me. I know you want to hear about the altcoins. I know you want to hear altcoin picks and the price target. Stick with me until the very end. The price target would be approximately 48,300, give or take. Why I personally think that this is not going to happen very, very quickly is the reason that here we are still in this Wyckoff pattern, and if this is panning out, we need to wait a little bit longer here. As you can see, usually in the Wyckoff pattern, we are creating a low, a lower low, and then another lower low in phase C before we are eventually breaking towards the upside in phase D and creating new higher highs, new all-time highs here in after phase E. So if this is the case, then of course we should expect a few more days of Bitcoin ranging in between approximately 44,000 and 47,200. This is what I'm personally expecting for Bitcoin, or at least to say what I think is the most likely scenario for Bitcoin. If we are creating soon here a new low below the low we had created earlier, then I would say we are entering phase C. The moment we are creating a low below the 44,200, this is when I think we are coming into phase C. So personally, I think that we shouldn't expect like new all-time highs within the next week. I think Bitcoin is going to chop around for a little bit longer, but this usually means that the altcoins have time to shine. When Bitcoin goes sideways, this usually means the altcoins have time to shine. And now talking about the altcoins, let me quickly go over to the total market cap. Then you can see actually not a lot here on the lower time frames, but what I wanted to do is go over to the weekly. And if we are going to the total crypto cap, this is the total crypto market cap. I mean, honestly, the fact alone that we are already at 2 trillion, this is like the Amazon market cap, guys. People still want to tell us that it's a small ecosystem. We are actually growing on a yearly basis. And even if we are going into a bear market, like every single time, those people every year they are telling us it's a bubble, it's a bubble. When we are going higher, when we are going lower, creating a higher low, they are telling us, I told you it's a bubble. Then we are going higher and they say, look at this, it's going parabolic, it's a bubble. It's always gonna be the same. But now here on the higher time frames, on the weekly, of course, we have to ask ourselves the question, what is going to happen in the immediate short term? And this is still the pivotal point I was talking about earlier. We had a high, and now Bitcoin is still creating a lower high here on the weekly candles, not Bitcoin, but the total crypto market cap, including Bitcoin. So if we are not seeing some bullish price action anytime soon, within the next few weeks, likelihood, of course, is at least, it is at least very possible that this continues to the downside and we are creating this dangerous M pattern. So I want to see the crypto market cap, Bitcoin including altcoins, breaking the previous high, finally closing a weekly candle above 2.4 trillion as you can see it right here. The moment we are closing a candle above this, I am expecting many more weeks of insane upwards price action, not only for Bitcoin, but especially also for altcoins. As you know, the more we are developing into this bull market, market, and I am actually saying that we are pretty much mature in that bull market, that we are coming to an end, that there are maybe just a few more months. In this case, we can expect insane altcoin gains, but only when we are breaking and also closing a weekly candle above that. Of course, before I'm going into the altcoins, I wanna of course show you also here my trade on Bitcoin. This one is still on $1 million in a profit on the bottom right corner, and you can see $7.7 million US still in this trade. The reason why I'm not actually increasing the position or decreasing this, the position is because Bitcoin did not choose a direction yet, and as long as this is not happening, I'm not getting weak hands. Look at my hand, very calm, and I'm only changing my direction when the market is changing the trend, and this is not happening yet. If you want to be trading as well on Bitcoin, on altcoins, you can trade Bitcoin, you can trade Elrond, you can trade whatever altcoins you want with Phemex, with Bybit, with Binance. In the pinned comment down below, you will get actually not a 4,100, you will get a $3,100 bonus. On Phemex alone, a $1,600 US bonus for free. Phemex has one of the most altcoins you can trade on leverage. Do it only with as an experienced trader, but if you want to do it with the Phemex link in our pinned comment, you get $1,600 US for free. So now wrapping it up for the altcoins. Before I'm doing that, guys, please support me here a little bit. If you tag at MMCrypto and also at Twitter support over on Twitter, our account is still suspended, all followers gone, everything gone here. So please help me to get back the Twitter account if you can make noise on Twitter. So the Twitter support finally sees that we are getting cracked down here. This is I don't know how it happened. It's a manual crackdown, so someone from Twitter, someone who's working there, probably has a friend who was trying to do something against us. So please make some noise over there. So still, quick update about Elrond. Thank you so much for all your support, guys. I am holding my $2 million US spot position on Elrond still, and as you can see, with the market breaking down, Elrond is holding strong, and it's just awesome to see that you guys are making multi-millions, tens and hundreds of millions with this. And of course, I am holding this, and I'm very happy to be part of that as well. I'm holding this position, and of course, I'm also holding my other position. It's getting very, very hot here. I'm going over for lunch, but I will come to you with the second video on our channel here. If we are breaking 10,000 likes, I'm gonna come here with the second video today very soon to you. So go down below, press subscribe, press the bell, and press on all, and I'm gonna see you very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye bye.